Yeah, man, and the calm before the storm. You see them say our storm heading our way in a day or two. You see me, but you don't know them say good as pass out of the island. But Dr. Love there speak something. You see it. You know Dr. Love a real youth still. You see me, but you don't know my master them ever clash and things. Some they talk some things about in personal life and things when go through with woman and them little something there. You see. So if you're new around here, just remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the TV for future upload. Future upload to get it right as a job. You also can follow me over Instagram and also on Facebook too, you see me, but you don't know Dr. Love ever come out and speak some real things. So we're going to forward and hear Dr. Love says it. And you also can go follow him on any platform in there, you see me? Yeah, man.
And all kind of things are going on the net, you know. You understand? Hope a petition, cake, you're going to stay at Jamaica and sell cake right there at 99. You're going to sell cake at 99. You will never come to a foreign, Boy, you want to come and find with a big black ugly, swarty, thinking self and all of that. All them something there. No, my thing is, no, my thing is people. Let me say something to you. Yes, a bad mind. Let me tell you. Yes, a bad mind. Bad mind is a thing that will give you diarrhea. And me know. It's only God could have come out of the sky and tell me, say, all of you, when they sit down every day, and I said, oh man, can't reach a foreign. Me not lie to you. If my little heart can't feel the way I feel this morning when I said January time, I feel so good, do man reach a foreign, you know what I mean? Another person again get an opportunity. Me can't feel so good in my heart. So she reach a foreign. The people them, when I like the woman, I have up the woman, me know so their heart no good. Me know this morning how the God could have come out and tell me so them people their heart no good, them is so uncomfortable. They can't believe all this happened. All know they not all who are big shot and all that, them can't believe that this happened right now. They might try to figure how did this happen. They're sitting down talking to their friend and say, how did you make she slip through the crack and reach a foreign? I know how these people feel right now. And I'm saying to all these people now, what's going on, my friend? I'm saying to all these people right now. What's that? Bagel? What's that? Bagel you make?
No, croissant.
Oh, you burn it, right?
Yeah.
That's why I eat it too.
Yeah.
All these people right now.
Thank you.
Thank you, my friend. You know, let me get a win for life. Let me see if I can win. All these people know that sick. That's that home right now that make all this speech and do all these things. And it did not stop. It shows you that one must left people alone. Thank you. One must left people alone. It shows no say. One no have no power. One no have no control. One no have no saying. You understand? It shows no in a life that the more you fight against somebody, the more they survive. And I hope you learn from this as a living testimony. How me chuck yourself when somebody bang it so? I hope you learn from this and take it as a testimony and say to yourself, say, you know what happened? It's best I live in unity with everybody and stop fighting against people because I have no power to do the things them that I said I want to do. You understand? It is an embarrassment. It is a shame. It's a disgrace on every level to see that all the words and all that have been done did not stop the woman from reach a foreign. All of who sit down and bad mind the woman. Fear also then said that she build a mattress box pan the gully and she not go nowhere and this and all of that. I went to the house. I went up there and I saw the house and the house is a beautiful house. I never go through the whole house, right? But the house is a beautiful house, well put together and all of that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful house. And the woman built a house before she left Jamaica. She do everything that she wanted to do before she left Jamaica. And no found could ask the people there are foreign. When now go and now come. Someone can't find a night dinner. Someone who can't even find some soup to drink right now. Sit down and fight against somebody that is successful and somebody that are doing better than us instead of learn how to be good and how to be successful in our life. No sit down and fight against people. Someone will get up for a man and don't even beard. Don't even beard for a man and will get up. You understand? 24/7 the same thing over and over. I mean, I would feel so ashamed. And the worst thing about it, you know the good thing about this? I am glad that Right Aid and Walgreens and Public Right Aid and Walgreens are selling diaper on discount. But someone don't need to buy diaper and wear diaper. And then you can't stop piss off your bed. You understand? Someone don't need to wear diaper. Someone went in and a category. Ain't no fun can't chat to me, you know. No fun can't chat to me, you know, because me on the same Brook Road and same Poverty Road, you know. Me on down the same Brook Road and same Poverty Road. We not depend this up. We not out of the same pot. You understand me? I say, all who talk about me and say me this, me nose big, me a fish, me a this, me a Batman, me a this, everything. And all of that. I am living way better down because guess what happened? I'm traveling. I'm doing things. I'm traveling. I'm doing things. We are not on the same level. So nobody can cuss them and say, boy, me I said this and say that. I am trying to tell them people say, all I want to feel, everyone I want to feel. I'm glad I know because all I want to go along with all of them foolishness. Everyone will go along with them foolishness. I want to know what I go do you know. No woman reach a big foreign and know where you can sue people. And where you can tap people from talking. I want to know what I go do you know the woman reach a big foreign. Who's part the law? The law is. I want to know if we have got to continue with the same foolishness when I do every day. I want to know what is going to be the next topic. Because the more on the do, the more on get to yourself in a problem. I suggest you know this morning, you better stop talk. Leave it alone. And go in on a little shell. I want to call on a liar and tell a liar. I say, boy, I lie, I give you all of the money. But how did you make the woman come to America and you never come through the border? Because when you look into the reality, there's nothing else in the world that anybody can do and anybody can say. There is nothing in the world anybody can do or anybody can say. The woman reach a foreign, big foreign, United States of America. The woman reach a foreign where they say she can't reach, where there's court, where there's police, where there's liar, and there's people who, if the woman say, yo, me need 100,000 right now tomorrow, man, to so she get the 100,000. And some of them, hey, and some people where me used to associate with, and I look at my life and I say, God, how did I get there? How was I there on a shame like dog? Eh? You know, sit down at people out like this every day, people like people, like people. 1 year close, 1 year open, 2 year open, 2 year close. That is it. You never stop bad mind people, man. Stop bad mind people. You know, some men have no string of bad mind on me. But just hypocrite sometime. I am just hypocrite sometime. And that's why I'm telling my testimony yesterday, you know. I giving you my testimony yesterday. I given you my testimony yesterday. When time when I'm an ex. When time when I'm an ex. When my construction business when I run. When I'm an ex did have control over my website. My business when I make me look of money. And when time I left him in go. And him delete my website. Delete my two website. And when he delete my two website, I couldn't get, I realized that I get called on my phone. I said, then people can't get to my website. I mean, in my WAP, I realize that my website gone and delete my website. And after I delete my website, in call clients and start to clients all kind of thing. And he call one of my good client who is a good friend. And disrespect the woman on the phone. I mean, the woman I talk for years. Until 2 years ago, I run to the woman. I say, come here, man. Right? Come here. Oh, no. I talk to her and I explain to her what happened. And so me and the woman to my friend to them. A good friend, good client. And then when time then don't do that now, then go and then take and clean out little money me they have in my PayPal and be a problem with PayPal. Clean up my PayPal, I think then clean up my PayPal and lock down my PayPal. And when time then she said that now, then time then, you know, me I go through it hard, you know. Then come in, you know. Money never come in like that. Me couldn't even pay my bills them. And when then she said that now work, man, and she said no blood now come. In go and do more and more and more and more. And in call yes, so in call my mama and call my sister and call everybody, well my mother. I call everybody and start telling things about me. And in do 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 and then she said can't do no more and I say alright then drunk girl. Since me I do and you're not drop a ground. You're not ball a ground. You're not this. You're not that. Hear me I go to me know where you love. Me know where you love. Instead of pitney where me have fear. I go and make sure say you not see none at all. And one day send me a message and say, if you not give me $1,000, you will never see this pitney. And me tell him to kiss me ass. Me say kiss me ass, me not give no $1,000. And then in do and in do and in do and in do and in continue do and in non-tap do. And in do and in try everything in the world, bad mind me. He let me do everything, tell everybody all kind of things. And I was still driving. He buried me alive and I was still breathing. And I just get up one day and say, boom, 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 make some call to some client. And I back up and running again thanks to Jassa Thomas. Thanks to Jassa Thomas. Me get sub work with my friend Jassa Thomas. Right? And then time the things never go on. The way it's supposed to go on. And Jassa Thomas hold me down. Let me tell you something. There's enough people in this world. There's enough people in this world here. You have enough man then no want to be friend with man because if the man a good friend, another man I go say then gay and then this. And you see one time I go through my problem. And my friend Jassa Thomas hold me down, you know. I help me pay my bills. That time them live a vineyard with him family, wife, and everybody. But call me say this a while ago and he say Christopher, no problem. No problem, Christopher. I remember one day, no man. Remember one day. Jesus God Almighty, me go through it in this world. So I know that I go through. Remember one day. My God. God up above, thank you, Lord. Thank you. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Almighty God. Thank you above for all you have done for me. And when they bury me alive, how you make me turn on the ground and breathe. Thank you, God. Me I look out the door and me I think about it. Remember, me never have no money. Me this so broke. Broker than me then time there. You couldn't find. But me never broke for long. And then call me and then say to me, say, hey, me find out say I'm pregnant, you know. And you better come around right now. Come on right now. Because I'm not keeping this. I'm not doing it. And then deal me like dog. Then deal me like crap. Then deal me like garbage. And I said, I need to go to the abortion place right now. I need to go. I never have the money. I'm going to call Jessa. I say, Jessa, I want to talk to you and say, what's going on, Christopher? I say, you know, say. The woman knows I'm pregnant. And the woman tell me, say, this is not a part of the plan. You must go get rid of it. And I be a problem. I may have to go do it. I mean, I have the money. Just to say, Christopher, how much money it is. Right? Me never tell, no. Me never telling the full story. Cause me that, me never want to tell, no, me tell me need $400. No, me tell me need $400. To do something. I think of that me tell him. And he said, Christopher, come over the house and see me. I'm go over there. I see your wife there. And me out, his wife the inside and in that, I think in that I did his son. And I go and run her back and I did a talk to him and he said, okay, Christopher, here you go. And he give me $400 and I said, I'll take care of something. I'll come back. I'm sorry, Christopher. I'm going to go. I'm going to give them the money. And carry them go. And then go in there. And then do and walk out like it was nothing, like a regular habit. I'm going to come out and I'm going to go back and work that day there. You understand? I'm going to tell Joseph to take you out of my pay. You understand? All of them sit and come up on Facebook and carry on and all of that, and nobody knows me I go through problem. Nobody no know. And then do all them sitting and do all those wickedness. I'm still breathing. I'm doing then. I'm try to show you people wicked. I'm try because through that they find me. I try to show no people wicked and people bad. And one time they can't do no more, then do some sitting. And police lock them up. Then do sitting. Police lock them up. You understand? Because they tell me say them I go do sitting to me and me pity them. Right? I never trust them. And I go to police and police issue warrant and lock them up. You understand? And then, much about a couple weeks after that, right? After a couple weeks after that, me there in my yard. That time I live at 566 Scotland Road in the apartment. Me there in my yard. Me open my mailbox. Me see paper coming from courthouse. When me open it, them have order against me. And I say, for what? For what? For what? So, me not have to call a liar. Boom, bam, bam. Me do the court. Because then so convincing, then convince the court. The court said them I do order against me for 1 year. Me show you people wicked. Me take the order. It was on a Wednesday to take the, I think it was on a Wednesday or Tuesday. Me take the order against me. Because I no live there so. I no see them. I no busy with them. Me take the order. When the order done, that 1 year they up. They realize I'm still breathing. They realize I'm still walking. They realize I'm still surviving. And then still all over the place like fugitive and I carry on. Then go back to court now and then go up on YouTube and take our videos and put videos together. I show you people wicked. Then put videos together. Splice the video them together. I mean I tell you that them is so good. I mean never could eat that liar when never have no sense. And then convince the court. But go in a court a ball. Convince the court. Remember they have a pity for me, you know. Remember they have a pity for me. And when they convince the court say, alright. They ask me question, I couldn't say, right now I don't even care. I literally don't care what they are. Just do what I want to do. I just want to left this place and go back to New Jersey. Because then tell the court, say, I came there before. I never been to that place in my life. Then tell the court, say, me come there. Me never go to that place in my life. Never, ever, ever. I was going to Atlanta, Georgia. I'm a depart live. And I through my Facebook page, it get deleted. And me have the phone, and me I talk to my fans them. And me I show the sign, and me I say, boy, I wish I had some me that go right now. And then take the video, right? And say to the judge, say, I was in that state when I never went to that state. Me tell the judge, I give up, don't want to do. And they issue it against me for 5 years. So that's 6 years. And them do that because them I say, yo, me I do everything in my power to make sure, say, this boy, I don't see this picnic here. I'm damage this boy reputation in every way. Me I damage his career. Me I do everything to him. I'm a hold it out for the 5 years and live my life. Me name, me eat, me sleep. Me travel, me up and down. Me do everything I want to do in life. And then, me never realized that the 5 years up. Right? Me never realized the 5 years up. I check me check. Check me check. And realize that the 5 years up. And me realize that it expire. Because there's nothing else in the world that them could have gone in a courthouse go lie upon me about. And I saw, and then it never stopped there. So then go in on my email. Then go in on my email that time there. And then send pictures from my email to feed them email. Send pictures from my email to their email. And said me send them picture of somebody dead. And that was one of the grounds that they used to get the court to issue documents against me. When time I left here, went and then get warrant for me. Me can myself go turn in myself in a courthouse. Me go turn in myself in a courthouse and then tell me say me fi left the courthouse because left the precinct because no warrant no did there for me say yes warrant they be not left there. Me not leaving there. I am not leaving here until they execute this warrant, until them me and them argue till them find it. Right? Then do all of that then do to me. I'm going to jail and come out. For a couple of the when I go to jail, the commissioner, we go there and the Jamaican man in there. And the Jamaican man said, Doctor, what are you doing? I said, I say, no, so I like a liar, girl tell lie upon me. And he said, but I'm tell him, and he said, all right, I go talk to the commissioner for you. Right? Because I know you know do them something, I as I watch upon live and all of that, but me never follow a story fully. And the man go talk to the commissioner and he's supposed to hold me for probably about, I think at 14 hours, me no member, me no all and supposed to hold me for the commissioner. When me done, when me go meet the commissioner, me and the commissioner start chat about reggae and all kind of stuff. The commissioner say, all right, I know you didn't do anything, because this is bull crap. I'm only going to hold it for most about 3 or 4 hours. And the commissioner hold me for 3 hours and let me out. I'm pay me $1,000. Me and my bridge, I'm come out. I'm come out. I'm still up on live. I'm still talk and still everything. And then do all of that, all of that, all of that, all of that, then do everything. But I was buried alive and I was still breathing. I was saving money, seeing where. I was doing everything, seeing where, and then me filed for divorce. Me filed for divorce. Me filed for divorce, they didn't tell lie for me. So me sit down in them belly. Then tell lies, say me beat them. All of those things then tell lie. Poor me. All those things they lie for me and say me do to them. And then go out there and then try everything to try to damage my name, say me do things to them when I did not do it. All of that then do. And people believe them. You understand? People believe them. Say me do them something here. And I me left them and I me divorce them. And if I then divorce me, I me file for divorce and divorce them. Me did. Me pay money. Mess up all my credit. Pay money and divorce them. And me go through all of that and all of that and all of that. And then hold on and then hold on and then hold on and then hold on and then hold on. And then hold on and then do everything that the world then do. Alright? The stupid case still I go and see him with the whole case and then tell life. I'm still living in a courthouse area for almost 5-6 years. And then still I do and I say to myself, say, then young lady, more ask you a question. And when you go tap? When you go realize say you lose, you know win. When you go realize say you lose. And I'm saying this morning is because when Mr. Dana reach a friend and all I would then do to Dana. Me have given him my testimony and my story. How people can be wicked and how people can be brutal. Me and my son mother the best of a friend. Me and my daughter mother the best of a friend. Me see my son when I want to visit my son. Me see my daughter when I want to visit my daughter. You understand? My son about to go college right now. Me and at the end of the day, young lady, I want to ask you a question. When are you going to stop and realize, say, there's no win of winning? God is in control. There's nothing you can't win it. I'll let the court prosecute me and do anything. I am already a winner. All that you have done, I am still surviving. Me not stress about it, me not sleepless. I am still traveling and doing the things that you did not want me to do. You did not want me to do it. And the little girl, I must be 6 or 7 years old. I don't know how the pitney is. And I've never seen a pitney. I never seen a pitney a day in my life. How long you think say you're going to keep the pitney away from me? How long you think you're going to keep that little girl away from me? How long? All that you have done. We're going 13. All that you have done, Sean, everybody be carrying big over. All that you have done to Christopher W. Crooks. He's still surviving. God have opened doors for me to be traveling the world. So you're not winning. That little girl is going to ask her one day, say, where my daddy there? Where is my daddy? How comes me can't see my daddy? Well, your daddy do this and daddy do that, and when time grow up, when time the picnic grow up and all of that, you don't want to put yourself in a situation where you have to explain to the picnic and lie to the picnic because this is how picnic and their mama get in an argument. This is how Pitney get in a thing. So when Mr. Dana reach a foreign, and all I would then do to Dana and say Dana can reach a foreign and Dana big fat, think and dirty and cranny and scam and everything. People that are doing wickedness, the wickedness can only last for a period of time. It cannot last too long. The people that you destroy in life is the people that God have make sure survive as a testimony, and I am a testimony. I've got through vehicle after vehicle. I was never hype. I was always humble. And then now, then and the space of that now, in that time, yeah, him say, you know why I see the Pitney. And when I file for divorce, then now, and divorce him, he want all this big money for Pitney. So I said to the lawyer, I said, all right. You want money, then you want all the money. Coach, we're not giving you no all the money. We're not giving you no all the money because guess what happened? You never deal with the man that have to get all the money. So them say, all right, me I go give you a little money. He say one must say $300, $400 a week or a month. The court said, no. Right? He said, no, I have none for the Pitney. The court said, no, we're not going to allow that. Right? I understand the man never meet the Pitney. So we're going to do it in step. The court said, all right, me I going to make you pay $253. That's all me I going to make you pay, Tico. Me say, all right, me will take it. Get the divorce. The court say, all right, Mr. Crooks, arrange up that you can, that with a lawyer that you can make the introduction of seeing the Pitney. Right? Me say, all right. When me member say them put the Pitney, me tell you, them put the Pitney under the order protection. That for make sure say me not come near the Pitney, I come near them, which me not have no reason for go near them. And when time the divorce, the court say, all right, we're going to remove the Pitney from the order of protection. He never want that. The judge say, we're removing the Pitney from it because at the end of the day, he's paying money and all of that. So the lawyer tells them to take you and then move the Pitney from it. Right? Then take the Pitney out of the order of protection or whatever it is. And then say, if you go and see the Pitney, me not go nowhere. Me not try to go nowhere because me no want to tell lie upon me and lock me up. So I don't go anywhere. Me not busy with him. Me just left him alone. Making tender with him Pitney. And feed him Pitney and do everything. And say I give the Pitney everything in this world. That thing can't give me because them things that then can buy love. And I don't go nowhere. Me tell the liar, say me tell you something. Me not go nowhere near them. You understand? I may explain to you, coach, me not going nowhere near them. Stay away from them. Right? And in do. I'm going to tell you how life is funny. When they lock him up, right? When they lock him up, and the prosecutor called me and asked me, say, if me want to press charges. When the prosecutor called me, I was busy. Right? And then keep calling me, telling me, I don't have time for this right now, no. Me not have time for this. Me not have time for this. You understand? And then did till then call me one day and say, all right, Mr. Crooks, you sure you don't want to continue with the case? I said, me not have time for this, miss. I don't have too much things to do. And them say, all right, them I go dismiss, and then dismiss the case against him. And then the case now, when you have against me, over foolishness because he can't get in here. He hold on pan it, and hold on pan it because he feels it. That I go make him better. Him go be so marvelous about it and then go on and then go on live and then go on people live and then tell lie. Thank God say me have the fans them out there we see what I go and we get videos. We get little video them and sit them and then calling people live and say I tell story. Right pan live. You feel me? And me get all of my little videos them. With them. Because the people when they run to say they can't trust no know who them is. You understand? All you have to do is spend some money and get everything. And then do. And I'm still breathing. I am driving in a brand new vehicle. I am traveling. I am up and down. I am doing everything. There's nothing in the world that you can do to damage Christopher Crooks. There's nothing in the world that you can do to damage Christopher Crooks. You cannot stop my boat. You cannot stop me from flying. You cannot stop me from eating. I am a survivor. I am a winner. And I'm out there and I'm doing what God wants me to do. And God has put me on the highest pedestal in the world that I never expect that I'm surviving. So when I see Dana reach a foreign and all that have been done to this lady, all that they have done to this lady and she still reach a foreign, still reach, that to show people that wickedness is a temporary thing, is not a permanent thing. It is a temporary thing, not a permanent thing. The wickedness that you guys do to people, it will only last for a period of time. And some of us live to forgive. Some of us don't forgive, and some of us don't forget. We don't forget. So I would say to that young lady, all the way you do, a time you tap. That picnic the way you raised by yourself, me no want that relationship, because that relationship they damage already. Right? Damage. But all that you have done to keep